Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on or activate Talkback in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on System Settings and click on Accessibility and go to the Vision option and click on Talkback and turn on the button against Talkback.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader.
Now Talkback is activated.
People who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken.
So this will be useful for those who are having difficulty seeing the screen. That is, low vision people or blind people can use it. So they can just hear the voice and then according to the voice they can act.
Previous item.
So here, for going to a particular function, for example, if you want to go to home screen, then you go to double tap on the home button and then you can hear the voice and then you can select it. For example, first select it and then double tap to activate.
Navigation bar, home button.
If you touch,
double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
If you touch anything on it, anything anywhere on the screen, and your phone will find it and it will tell the instructions how to use what it is. It will tell. For example, I just tap on the left this right side key. Right side navigation key and it will tell like this. See here.
Navigation bar, back button. Double tap to activate.
So what it said, navigation bar, back button, double tap to activate. You go to double tap on it to activate. It go back.
Navigate up button.
Okay.
Double tap to activate.
To go home in the similar way, you can just tap on home screen. Home screen button and then double tap on it.
System launcher, Oneplus widget.
So in this way you can touch and double tap on it to access particular function. Suppose if you would like to go to settings, you go to use two fingers and slide down like this, and then only you can see the notification area.
3 bars, phone 3
and
bars.
If you want to go to the settings, tap on settings,
open settings button.
double tap on it.
Settings, safety and emergency, enlist. Double tap to activate.
So in this way you can easily go to any of these settings.
System settings. System setting, date and time.
If you want to go to date and time, double tap on it.
Date and time, navigate.
So in this way you can access your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.